Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to build a sales funnel that is specifically designed to help you grow your email list. To do this, go to Sales Funnels under Sites on your dashboard. This is where any funnels that you have created will appear. You can filter them based on whether they're active or inactive, as well as search any of the terms you've used in their name. Let's create one together by clicking Create. You can name your funnel and choose a domain for it. Any domain that you connect to your account will appear here. I'll name this one Lead Magnet and leave the default domain. You don't need a domain since every account comes with its own Systeme.io subdomain. Now, there are 4 different funnel templates for you to choose from. I'll select Build an Audience. You can choose any currency that you would like to use. This is when you want to sell your products or services, so more on that in a later video. For now, I'm going to stick with this currency. Now simply click on Save and there you go. Your funnel has been successfully created. It's really that easy. As you can see here, there are a lot of great looking templates to choose from. I'm going to choose this one, and then let's select a template for the thank you page as well, and done. Before we edit our opt-in page, let's take a look at the tabs. This is the configuration tab where you can change the name as well as the URL path link to this page. If you want this page to be the homepage of your website, you can just leave it empty. Next, we have the automation rules tab where you can set up automations to make this whole process so much easier. For example, you can set up a rule so that when someone opts into this page, they'll be automatically tagged. Simply click Add Rule and then click here to add a trigger. It's important to know that the triggers available here depends on the page type that you're working on. Different pages have different triggers. If you create it in the Rules page under Automations, there will be far more triggers. I'll show you a bit more about that in a later video. For now, select Funnel Step Form Subscribed. After that, we need to add the Add a Tag action and then select the tag Funnel Leads. Simply click Save Rule and there you go. Your automation rule has been successfully created on this page. It's as easy as that. Next up, we have the A/B test tab where you can test 2 pages and see which ones perform better. For example, you can see which one gets more leads. Over here in the Stats tab, you can see detailed statistics on all the pages in your funnel, including page views, opt-ins, and conversion rate, as well as the conversion rate for your sales and the earnings per page view. There's also the Leads tab where you'll see all the leads that have opted into all the pages of this funnel. And here we have the Sales tab. It displays all the sales you've made with this funnel. We just created this funnel, so these tabs are currently empty. Finally, we have the Deadline Setting tab, which is useful if you have a time-limited offer. You can actually set it up so that as soon as that time-limited offer is over, people are automatically redirected to another page. It's a great way to push your prospects to convert sooner. Now let's go back to the Configuration tab to edit our page by clicking on the Edit Page button. Systeme.io uses a really easy drag and drop editor which makes building your pages so simple. As you can see, you simply drag any element you want to use and drag it over to your page. For example, you can add a new headline, change its size, and edit the text to whatever I want. You can also change the color of certain elements if you want. We can change the color of this button from green to blue or any other color, and we can change the text as well. You can add a second video under this one. You can either use a direct link, such as a YouTube video link, embed one with HTML code, or directly upload your own. Not only that, but you can also edit and optimize the mobile version of your page. Each element can be used for both versions, desktop and mobile, or one of them only. It depends on what you want to achieve. This is why we see the label desktop only here. This element will not be displayed in the mobile version, and we can only see the second video that we added. After you're done editing your page, click on Save and then Exit Page. And there you go. That's how easy it is to build a simple funnel to increase your email list within just a few minutes. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to sell products and make money by creating a sales funnel.